This is hilarious.
He hasn't got a clue.
Look, this bloke's trying to learn how to row in 5 minutes.
That's how far he's got.
Whoa! He's got the magpie going flat out at him. Jesus Christ. Don, you alright?
Is that you being framed?
No, we're enjoying the show. This guy's...
Yeah, no,
trying
that's what I say.
to
You're
motivate.
going to send it to you being
And,
framed.
and she's giving him every single bit of advice he can handle.
It's not as funny as the Chinese one or the Japanese one.
Oh, God. No, go ahead.
Sorry.
You're right,
No,
you're
go
right.
ahead.
Go
We're
right ahead.
watching the comedy.
Yeah, I would have thought the pointing would have to go...
You'd reckon that's why they put a point on it, isn't it?
Well, you would think.
Yeah. You're right. We're enjoying the show.
God, look at the bottom jaw go.
Oh yeah, she's into him now. Mate, you should learn. Just give her the oars. She knows everything. Give her the oars.
Yeah, for sale. Yeah, for sale. Full set of encyclopedias. Wife knows everything.
With steak knives. Hang on,